Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I wanted to share with you the disaster of a bakery that I have here. It looks like a tornado went right through it. Well, it's time for a makeover and I am going to work on this for you. And I hope that you will enjoy the new look, the new details. I am also going to incorporate these strips in the new look. Now notice that there are chocolate chip cookies, pizza, popcorn, nachos, and french fries. So this is going to be a cafe lunch spot slash bakery. So I hope that you stay tuned because it will have a totally different look. And thank you so much for watching.